Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys a Stitch Fix unboxing. As you guys may know, I really love Stitch Fix so much, and a lot of you guys do as well. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got for this month. So this month is going to be a little bit different. Typically I receive my box, I unbox it, and then I come on here and kind of talk with you guys like my opinions and my thoughts, like all of that regarding the pieces that I received. But this month, guys, I actually haven't opened my box yet. So we're gonna open it firsthand on camera. I thought it would be kind of fun to do it that way since I've never done it that way before. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, check out my Instagram. It will be linked on the screen right here. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my unboxing for Stitch Fix, then please keep watching. So I did just get a new tripod. Well, I got it a few months ago, but I just finally set it up. I'm having like a little bit of a difficult time with it, trying to get everything right. So if this video looks like odd or it's at an odd angle, please be patient with me. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to figure everything out. But yeah, let's open up this box. I'm so excited, you guys. I literally have had this box for over a week now. My midterms were last week. A lot of you guys wished me like well wishes and stuff on Instagram, so thank you so much. But I had midterms last week, so I just didn't have a chance to open it up and I didn't have a chance to record. So I'm so incredibly excited to finally get to open this. It's just been like sitting here and I've been staring at it for like weeks now, or like a week now. And if you guys didn't know, with Stitch Fix, they do give you about 3 days, I believe, to return your items and like decide what you want. Honestly, sometimes I pushed it to like 5 and there's never been any issues, but you do also have the opportunity to go online and let them know that you need more time, so you can choose like a date to actually send back the pieces. So I just pushed mine like a week later because, again, as I said, I had midterms last week, so I just really didn't have a chance to film. And yeah, I wanted to do a first impression and everything. My box is open. This is what it looks like inside. So everything comes wrapped. We get a note from our stylist. We get our shipping label. You don't have to pay to ship any of the items back. It is completely free. For me, I can just put it in my mailbox. So it's really easy to send pieces back if I don't want to keep everything. In our little card, not only do we get a note from our stylist, we also get our invoice. My invoice right here. So this first piece I have in here is a dress, and she said that I actually pinned this on my Pinterest. So excited, and she was able to find it. So it is the brand is Your Story, and it's the Keltia off the shoulder tie detail dress, and the size extra large, and it is $54. So another thing before I show you guys this dress, I have been linking the names and the brand and everything of each of the items that I show you in the description box. A lot of you guys say that helps you out because, like I said, a lot of you guys do Stitch Fix as well. So they will be in the description box down below if you have any questions, or you maybe didn't hear the name and whatever. It will be linked in the description box to make it easier for you. So this is so cute. I love this. So it's an off the shoulder. It looks like it's about quarter sleeve with the elastic band on the sleeve and then elastic at the neck, so it will stay off the shoulder. We love, and it's in this really pretty light blue color. It does cinch in at the waist, and there's actually a tie as well around the waist. Oh girl, there's pockets in here too. Y'all know I love pockets. And it's in this really pretty like light blue kind of color. It's reminding me of like almost chambray, but that is not the material. And it does have a second layer under here as well. So I love this. Definitely my style, as she mentioned. That as I mentioned, I did actually pin this on my Pinterest, and my stylist was able to find this piece specific for moi. So I'm really excited to try it on. I'm hoping for the best because I really like this piece a lot. Next piece we have, it looks like the rest of the pieces are tops. So next piece we have is from the brand LUQ. It's the Julliet crochet knit top, and it's in an extra large, and it is $34. Not bad with the prices. So this is what it looks like here. It is an off the shoulder top, and this one has, it looks like the sleeves are almost looks like they're a little bit more than like a quarter sleeve, but they have this really pretty bell. We have some really pretty florals all over it, and it's in this really beautiful blue color. At the top, we do have the smocked chest, and then it is also smocked in the back as well. Nice, give us some extra room. And then we have this really pretty lace detail at the very bottom of the top. I'm interested to see how this one fits. I almost feel like it's going to be a little short, but it's very pretty. It's definitely my style. I do have similar tops to this. Even the one that I got in my Stitch Fix from last month, I would say is similar, like similar concept to this piece, but I mean, that one is very different, but similar like aspects, I guess you can say. I'll link that video above and down below if you'd like to check it out. But I also have a whole playlist of all my unboxings from all my subscription services that I will link in the description box as well if you are interested. But so far I really like this piece, very pretty. This next piece is from the brand JELLA. This is the Verona off the shoulder embroidered, got kind of cut off, but I want to say embroidered top. It's in an extra large, and this is $38. This is what it looks like here. So this actually is very similar to my piece from last month. Like, it's almost the exact same color scheme with that like navy blue and white, but the one from last month was navy blue and white, and then it had like some pinks and stuff all over it. Again, that video will be linked down below if you want to check it out. But this is still very pretty. Is it? I don't know if this top goes off the shoulder or not. It does have the elastic band at the neck, so my assumption it does. The sleeves have a little bit more like flowy detail. There's some, again, navy blue florals all over it. This shirt looks pretty short as well. I don't really mind it. I think it's cute. It looks like a nice flowy top for $38. I don't think that's bad. Next top we have is from the brand PAPERMOON. This is the Bariel cold shoulder blouse in an extra large, and it is $48. I don't know about this one, you guys. So this is, hold on. Yeah, I'm not like super crazy about this one, but this is what it looks like. So it is a like off-white color top, and then it has the like orange and pink florals all over it. It is off the shoulder, or no, it's cold shoulder, I apologize. So we have that cut off in the shoulder, and then these are actually the straps that go around your like neck. Ooh, you guys see that? One just broke off. That's a fail anyway. So that, and then it's V-cut in the front and then V-cut in the back. The colors are pretty in this. The material is almost like, I've gotten other tops from Stitch Fix that are in the same material where it's like scratchy almost. I don't love that type of feel. This would be a pass. Also, the strap just totally broke, so that's definitely a pass. And I don't know if I mentioned, but in the back we do have one of those strings back here too. Really not a fan that it just broke like that, especially because it was more of a pricier top out of the other one. So that will definitely be a pass. I mean, maybe it will look amazing, but as for right now, it's a pass for me. And then last top that we have is from the brand ID23. This is this Sudrey tie front crop top in an extra large, and this is $38. My stylist actually made note of this piece in the little note that she provided. So last month I received a piece very similar to this one in like a blue, I think it was blue or white. Was it striped? I think it was a blue and white striped top, and it was so cute. I loved everything about it. I love the style, but the extra large just didn't fit me right. Like, I was like busting out. So I wasn't able to exchange that for a size bigger. They didn't have it available. I kept checking and everything, but I wasn't able to find it. Looks like she sent me this piece because it is very similar to that one from last month. So it is it looks like it's olive green crop top. It buttons in the front, has a collared detail, arms are completely out, and then it has this cute little tie in the center. So again, this is in an extra large. The top that I had gotten last month was in an extra large, and I was just like busting out of the buttons. So I'm really hopeful that this one works for me, because you guys know I love olive green. It's my favorite piece, it's my favorite color, and I love that piece as well. So out of all of the pieces that I have, I want to say I probably am going to keep this one, and I'm probably going to keep the dress. And then maybe this top. I have to see what this one looks like on, but if these two look good, then I'm definitely gonna keep those two because I really like them a lot. And again, I was looking for a top that has that little tie detail in the center. I mentioned like I think a while ago, but I just love that trend, like the tie in the center trend. I think it's just so cute. Before we wrap up this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about the total cost of everything. So if I were to keep all 5 items, the cost would be $212. She really does a good job of keeping my box like right around $200, and I don't think that's bad at all considering I'm getting 5 pieces. But the nice thing about Stitch Fix is if you end up keeping all 5 pieces, you do get 25% off. So with 25% off, it would then bring my total down to $159. $159 for all 5 pieces. Really good deal in my opinion. I like pretty much all of them except that white top with the pink and like the orange on it. Like even if the strap didn't break off, like I just don't like the way that one feels. Kind of giving me like, I just don't think it's like the most age appropriate. Maybe it looks amazing on, and that could be totally the case, but at first glance, like I'm not crazy about it. But then we also do get another we also then do get that $20 styling fee taken off of our total. So again, the $20 comes from the cost that you pay to get like the stylist to pick out clothes for you. So if you do keep one item or keep all of the items, you do also get $20 deducted from your total. So if I were to keep all of the items, it would only be $139. Guys, I don't think that's really bad. Like I'm like really happy with the way that my stylist does a good job of keeping all the products under budget, and I really appreciate that. So I'm definitely not going to keep all 5 items, though I don't think that's a bad price at all for all 5 of them, especially because like the pieces at Stitch Fix are typically really good quality. Again, you guys saw that top just broke, but that's never happened to me before with any of my other picks. Or any of my other pieces. That's never happened before. They're really unique. A lot of the time you can't find these brands or these styles at like any other store. So I really quite enjoy Stitch Fix. Again, I know a lot of you guys do as well. So I love that we can like come on here and talk about our picks and everything. I'll link my Pinterest again in the description box. It'll be under like the keep up with me or contact me, whatever. I have something like that in there. I'll put it there so you guys can see what I have pinned on my Pinterest. And if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, again, there will be a link in the description box. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this kind of like first impression style video. Something a little different. Again, I do apologize regarding my setup. If it is driving you crazy that I'm looking up the whole time, then I'm so sorry. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Again, I'm trying to figure out my tripod situation, so hopefully it looks okay. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Check out my Instagram. Again, it will be linked in the description box and next to my Pinterest. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!